am I speaking with?
Tia,
Tia, how old are you?
10.
Why are you here today?
Because for the game, it has like so much action and like so much. Yeah.
What do you know about OSFNA?
That it's a really good place to it's like a really good place to go to whenever you're like bored or something, and it's very action too. And then there's like food, there's snacks, and there's a game, and yeah, and the teams. Yes.
Tell me about your biggest dream.
My biggest dream was to go to like a soccer game, and like in the VIP section, and then it would, yeah, that's my dream. And then there would be like the player over there that would wave or something.
What is your message?
Follow your dreams, and don't just be lazy on like doing stuff at home. There's a thing where you can go every summer. That's it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Why are you here today?
To play with the soccer academy and watch the final game of OSFNA.
You are going to play on Allianz field today, right? Are you happy?
Yeah.
Do you want to say something about it? How is the feeling?
The field is very big and I feel good about it.
Imran, why are you here today?
To watch the soccer and play.
What team are you playing for?
Abdul Academy.
Tell me about your academy.
We play a lot and we practice.
My name is Bilal.
Bilal, what team are you playing for?
Abdul Soccer Academy.
Tell me how is the feeling today?
I'm happy to come here and play here and watch the match.
What is your biggest dream?
To be a professional soccer player and see Cristiano Ronaldo.
What is your biggest dream?
To be a professional soccer player like Cristiano Ronaldo.
I play for Abdul Soccer Academy, and I don't know this field, but I play for. I hope I win, and my dream is to become Cristiano Ronaldo.
My dad is Abdulaziz Ahmed. He used to play. Africa used to be a soccer player, so I want to be like my dad, and inshallah, I want to play professional soccer player.
My name is Ali Gobina, and I play for TTL Academy. And my biggest dream is to be a great soccer player.
What is your feeling for the day when you see you're going to play on Allianz field?
I feel super happy and good that I'm playing on the field.
What is your name?
Amin.
Amin, what team are you playing for?
TTL.
Which position do you play? Are you striker, defender?
Striker.
Okay, you're going to score today, right?
Yeah.
Good luck.
Okay.
What is your name? What team you play for?
TTL.
What is your name?
Abdisha.
Abdisa, how old are you?
8.
What is your feeling today?
Good.
Are you going to score?
Yes.
Good luck.
Alright.
My name is Ibrahim. I'm 10 years old. My dream is to become the best soccer player in the world. And the only reason why I want to become the best soccer player in the world is because I want to be the best soccer player in the world.
Thank you. Good luck.
Thank you.
What is your name?
Burhan.
Burhan, how old are you?
6.
Are you going to play today?
Yeah.
What team are you playing for?
Abdul Soccer Academy.
So, are you happy today?
Yeah.
Good luck. Thank you.
So,
Okay, how old are you and what is your biggest dream and what team you play for?
I'm 14.
Okay.
I play for Abdul Soccer Academy, and when I go, I want to be a professional soccer player.
What positions do you play?
Center mid, and CDM.
So what is your expectation? Are you going to win?
Yeah, we're gonna win. We're gonna destroy them. It's gonna be easy. Yeah.
Good luck.
Yeah, you too. Thank you.
My name is Asim and I'm 9 years old and my dream is to be better than Messi. My name is Hayu, I'm 9 years old and my dream is to be the best football player of all time, better than Messi, better than Ronaldo. My name is Ilyas and sometimes in life I'm too competitive.